No, his name's Sparky.
His name should be Pukey.
That's my dog.
His name is Sparky.
That's my dog. He's such a good boy. He never bites. I don't know why he's acting so weird today. I don't know.
I know. I guess because I said he's not gonna pay. So.
I don't know why he's acting so weird today. Come
Sparky. Sparky, you've been a bad boy.
Holy crap! Oh, he died.
Sparky.
I don't know why he's being such a bad boy. Like.
Sparky, stop eating.
Oh, he
I said
did.
no eating past 2.
Sparky, you're actually getting in trouble.
Sparky, get back here, you silly
Oh,
goose.
you messed up. Oh, shoot.
Oh, later.
We're fine.
Come back here, you silly goose. I said you silly goose.
Wait,
No, wait.
follow me.
Whoa.
Sparky, you've been a bad boy
Sparky!
today.
What the freak? Sparky, you're being a
so
bad boy. You're being a bad boy. No! If Santa Claus were to visit you, you would get coal for Christmas. No! Uh-oh.
I beat.
Dude, he didn't even go near you. You're literally fine.
Sparky, come on, you're good. Sparky,
Let's go this way. Oh, we're fine. Shut up. Guys, shut up. Whoa. Move. Run. Stop taking a bath. Now is not the time to take a bath. Uh-oh.
Sparky, freaking loser.
Nah, he's mad at you, bro.
Stop coughing. Oh, I love you too. Oh, I love you too, Sparky.
You're so blind.
Sparky, get back here.
Sparky.
I can't believe you're doing this Christmas.
Stop!
Come back.
Sparky, you need to take your bath. You need to take your green bath right now. You need to take a bath.
Take your meds.
You need to take a bath. Look at this. You need to get clean. Look how you're dripping everywhere. This is absolutely disgusting. You take a bath right now.
Sparky.
You take a bath.
Stop eating people. It rots your teeth. Stop over him.
I think I'm dead. What a year.
Take a bath. Come back here. Come back here. Oh, shoot.
He has a yuck right here. He just has the yuck.
Come on.
We gotta go get him. He needs to take a bath. Stop biting people. This is not you. You don't act like this normally. Stop biting people.
Come back here, Sparky.
Oh, shoot. Oh, I almost died.
I don't think Sparky likes me.
You need to take a bath.
Sparky from Clash Royale.
Wait, guys, watch this.
Come back here, Sparky. You need a spanking. You don't need a spanking. You need a kick.
No, Orange. Oh, he did. Ow.
You're too
I just hit
close,
something.
Sparky.
Ow. Ooh, I gotta like back up.
Yeah,
I just hit a wall. We need to go get everyone else.
Stop being bad.
Go.
I did Orange so dirty.
Guys, how are we gonna guys?
dirty.
How are we gonna get Sparky to take a bath? I swear.
I don't know. He needs to also brush his teeth, but he's not listening.
How are we gonna make him take a bath, dude? I swear.
Lead him to it.
We did, but he didn't get in. He didn't want to get in.
Okay.
And he needs to take your meds. You need to take your meds.
I think it's not spanking.
I think he didn't go to therapy this week, so.
Come back here.
Can we get up here?
Time for your daily beats.
He didn't go
Is he okay?
today,
Oh, no. We have
Is Orange alright?
so we need to take him to that.
Lead him into the bath, bro.
Sparky,
You gotta take your green.
been a bad boy.
You gotta take your Nickelodeon slime bath right now.
hop in. Come on. Sparky.
You gotta get in the
Come on,
bath.
Sparky.
You need to be clean. Oh, crap.
to get right there. You want to come in? Funky. Where you going, Sparky? Oh, I don't think Sparky likes me. Sparky, get back here. I don't think Sparky likes me.
Wait. I hurt. Someone just shoot him? Why did a laser beam play?
I guess Sparky likes me.
Take a bath! Take a bath! Oh no! Oh no!
Sparky, no. Sparky, no. Come here. He's not listening. He never does. Claw. I kicked him. Get in your bath.
Ah, shoot.
You need to take a bath.
Why did he juked me? No! Run! Guys, we need to lead into the bath. What are y'all doing? You guys are selling. Come on, go. Come on. All y'all at spawn, hurry up. You're fine. Come on. Red, come on. Yo, Sparky! Take a bath, fool!
Get your butt.
Take a bath, fool!
Get your user.
No!
Get your butt in the freaking bath.
Bro, why is he doing this?
I am the leader. We are playing Kingdoms of the World. Okay? And you can get your
They took him back to spawn. Whoa! Run! I did not expect that. Yo, Red, we gotta brainstorm. How are we gonna get Sparky in the bath?
Oh no.
Okay,
I'll make a doctrine. Oh my god!
Come here, Red.
Sparky, get in your bath. I'll put Mr. Bubble in it, the SpongeBob kind.
Oh, shit. He just bit Red right in front of me. Sparky, that's a bad boy. You're being a bad boy.
Bad boy, Bo.
Where you running? Oh, shoot.
Stop biting Red. Red did nothing. We saw that coming.
Why are you being so bad? This is not how you normally act. Oh. Orange. Uh-oh. Oh, he did. Wait, can you just hide up here? Huh. I don't think I'll need that.
Sparky, take a bath. Come on, Sparky, take a bath.
No! Oh, we're okay.
Yeah,
Guys, come on, it's safe. I conclude that it was not safe. It was not safe. I guess that little laser goes off every time I freaking die. That's nice. Guys, I guess it wasn't safe. Whoa!
Oh!
Sparky, you don't talk that way to me. Watch your tone. Watch your tone. Where'd Orange go? Oh, we gotta wait. We should go the long way. Meet him at the. Nope. Okay, or you could die. Stop biting Red. He did nothing to you. I swear.
Stay up here. The orange goes.
We are not okay. Oh, we're fine. Juked Sparky. We just juked Sparky. Alright, that was pretty fun. Whoa! Oh! Sparky, give me one last hug before I end the video. Give me one last hug before I end this video.